So I'm just going to go through some common examples of what we can make interactive with our static content, because you might be given a PDF or a case study or just a document or a general idea of what you want created in the studio, and some general best practices on things you can make interactive. One is bullets and lists. When you have lots of text and body copy there, you can make those interactive by clicking on it, opening up each bullet point, making those lists not as long, but breaking up the content a little bit. And I have examples for these too that I'll highlight really shortly. But you can also make your images interactive, whether you're just transforming the shape of your image, or if you have a ton of images you need to show, you can also make carousels and rotate through lots of images there. Facts and data visualization, that's also a great interactive opportunity. If you have bar charts, even just some stats and numbers that you want to highlight, you can make those interactive so they can hover or click on something to reveal the percentage or the data for that. And then steps or sequences they have to follow. Another really good opportunity here. Say they have 5 steps, they can click on each step to learn more. And maps, you can make your maps really interactive. Instead of just having all the content displayed, you can click on different regions, open up different sections. And then lastly, we have key themes. So if you do have something you want to highlight throughout your experience, make that part a little interactive so they can engage with it, keep that front of mind.